It's gonna get more hardcore, he keeps saying.
Look.
It's gonna get more sketchy. More sketchy. After a while, it's like, I believe you. I believe you, Mick. It's gonna get more sketchy, I believe you. So it's almost 10 o'clock at night, and we're about to meet up with some guys I met on Instagram, 42 Adventures. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have shouted them out a ton, a bunch of cool guys. About to do a night hike up to some cabin on the top of a mountain. Supposedly there's no snow, but this is gonna be a wonderful first hike in Switzerland. Guys, I'm here with Mick, the legendary Mick from 42 Adventures, and he just said something that blew my mind. Say it again, Mick.
I say Jesse is out there with his videos. This guy is so productive, like I'm nothing compared to this.
No. He said I'm crazier than him.
You're crazier than I am, that's for sure.
Yeah,
man.
I don't think so, guys. You're gonna have to check out some of his videos. I'll link his channel in the description. 42 Adventures. He's definitely crazier than me.
But we'll test it out today and tomorrow, so we'll see.
We'll see who's crazier.
But it's no official sign for hiking path.
But it has a rope on it.
Yeah, it means like don't go there, it's dangerous.
Yeah, I can assume that.
Yeah. Don't go there. Okay, so we'll go there.
You heard of missing 411?
Oh yeah.
Right here.
But I was like, yeah, a bit more off, and I was like, don't stay here. Sometimes they see the news, oh, Bear got sighted again. But Bear is not gonna cross.
What? I'm good. Maybe put the camera away.
Yeah. Or you should like be quiet a bit, the dragons, you know. You shouldn't really.
I wish you could see what I'm seeing. I mean, it is straight up. Mick, this crazy guy right here, and he said, watch out for the dragon. We got rocks.
Don't wake them up.
Don't wake them up. Shh.
Wake up the dragon.
Overlooking this lake. Hopefully we'll get some good shots of that tomorrow morning. But man, this is the real start to our time here in Switzerland. Look at this guy. All day, every day. This guy pumps out the content. He's doing crazy stuff, guys. I'm gonna link his Instagram and his YouTube. Give him a follow. Say what's up. Hit him with a hashtag Team Infamous. Let him know where you came from. And I hope we make it up this mountain, guys, because it is pretty slick. We're holding on to this cable here. It's like a plastic covered cable. The moon is out, reflecting off the lake. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have some great shots for you tomorrow morning if I make it up this thing alive. Almost had one tumble, but that was in the safe zone. So now I gotta put the camera away for the death zone. We're entering the death zone, guys. So I gotta put the camera away and stay safe. Just blitzed it up here, guys. Made it to Steinbockenboot cabin. I probably didn't pronounce that right. Wow, views are epic. I'm gonna try to get up early and show you hopefully some sunrise views, guys. This is amazing. So got to the point in the night, we broke out the chili peppers.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, we had the fondue. And then the chili peppers. Whoo!
Hey, my tongue,
Mick, how are you doing, buddy?
Afterburn, man.
Yeah. Whoo!
Mom's chili.
Mick's mom grew the chili. Can't be rude. Gotta eat the chili that your mom grows. And I don't want to be rude, so we got 3 left. 3 left. Who's down? 1, 2, 3.
Move.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know if I could take all 3 down. What do you guys think? Should I do it?
The schrickle one.
I shouldn't do it, honey?
No.
Come on. I don't want to be rude to his mom. So we got up here and we stayed awake until the sun came up, caught a glorious sunrise here over the Lucerne Valley. These clouds had moved in and the sunrise was absolutely beautiful, reflecting off all these clouds. You can just make out Lake Lucerne down there right now.
got about 4 hours sleep, and now we're gonna be headed straight up over the top of that and then coming down the backside all the way down.
When I'm in Switzerland, I don't wake up with coffee, I wake up with chili peppers. Not so bad.
Not yet.
Oh, wow.
It's good. It's good. I need a drink.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Ja, so ein schmales Felsband macht alles.
So we're finally off. We're headed up there. So you can see these guys behind me. Basically it's straight up here, up, over, and we're not even to the sketchy stuff yet. But you can see perched on this narrow trail, sheer drop, overlooking Lucerne and mountains in the Alps. This is stunning. So we just saw some Swiss mountain goats up there behind us. A whole family, a baby and looks like a pregnant mother. Also still overlooking awesome lake. They're all the way over there. This is truly amazing. I feel so lucky to be here right now. So pretty much you're on a small tiny trail. It's like single track, less than a foot wide, and the problem is there's some spots where it's really muddy, and so once your boots get covered in that mud, when you're trying to traverse some rocks or go up some granite faces, it makes it pretty slippery. But we're just taking our time, taking it slow, taking in these epic views, and most importantly being safe. I've taken people for hikes before and they were like, what the hell, this is a hike? But when Mick says he's gonna take you for a hike, he lives up to it. This is a legendary, epic adventure, man.
It's getting better.
It's gonna get more hardcore, he keeps saying.
Yeah.
It's gonna get more sketchy, more sketchy. After a while, it's like, I believe you. I believe you, Mick. It's gonna get more sketchy, I believe you. Wow, made it to this top of this ridgeline here. Epic views, 360. Wow, Switzerland, pretty amazing. So many views. You can see the Alps all around, the Alps, the lake down there. There's Sam in the background, heading that way. What started as a night hike turned into a full day adventure. 4 hours of sleep, caught an epic sunrise. Plenty more coming from Switzerland. Get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous.
What do you think?
So many times and it's just
Pretty epic. How many times have you done this one?
this one about, I don't know, 25, 30 times.
Nice.
Infamous.